Hello, Misty Ricardo here, Richard Sace. I'm at East Takeaway in Ashton-Under-Lyne again. I'm going to cook a chicken CHAAT puri. The chef's rolling out a chapati here. Okay, and what he'll do with the chapati, he'll deep fry it, and that's what makes it a puri. Now there you go, deep fried chapati, and we're going to keep that warm, and we're going to make the CHAAT element for it. Right then, Chef Mohammed is kindly going to cook us the CHAAT, chicken CHAAT, to go with the puri we just cooked. So a little bit of oil in the pan, a little bit of garlic, not much. There's only about a chef's spoon of diluted tomato puree. That's about 30 millilitres. Dash of kasuri methi, bit of salt, half teaspoon or so, and about a teaspoon and a half of mixed powder, approximately. We'll cook those spices off, and then in with service onions. I'll include some information about those service onions and why they're used in some takeaways and restaurants in the video description. So fresh tomatoes, heat goes up now on full. Got a bit of madras paste, again I'll detail what that is in the description, and the masala sauce, which I'll also detail, just to give that extra zing to the chicken CHAAT. Give it some nice flavour. So far we've not had any base gravy, but it's not going to take much because it's a very dry dish, chicken CHAAT. The chef puts in pre-cooked chicken tikka. Oh, I know what I'm having for dinner. Now in just with a tiny bit of base gravy, just to loosen it up slightly and give it a bit more flavour. Again, we're just going to reduce it down now anyway, so it goes back to be nice and thick. And we're going to cook that for about a minute longer or so, just about a minute or two. And once that's done, we'll serve up. You see how nice and thick that is, full of flavour. Okay, we're done, and we're going to serve up now. Yeah, that's magic. Right, let's try and give this a taste. When I say try and give it a taste, I'm holding a camera in one hand. Let's try a bit of the chicken tikka first. Some of that delicious sauce. Wow. Yeah, that's amazing. The flavours are really concentrated and really give you a nice tang in your mouth. So I'm going to try some of this puri now, if I can manage. Try and dip it in some of the sauce. Lovely and fresh. That's delicious. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Click the bell icon, etc. This is Misty Ricardo, Richard Sace, enjoying a lovely chicken CHAAT puri at East Takeaway in Ashton-Under-Lyne. There's plenty more to come. See you soon.